Hey, it's Robin coming to you live from my back deck with a lab called Soil Filter Activity. We're going to be taking a look at some of these different elements that you see right here in a lab activity. Why am I being a goofball and recording myself at the start of the video? I've watched a lot of instructional training and that sort of thing about how to reach our students as we maybe enter a hybrid or remote learning activity. And one of the important aspects is being able to have them connect with us, see us, and express any of our goofiness that we might have. So just hang tight because I'm going to share the lab with you in the video as well. Pouring dirty water in for a 5 count. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. Seeing what happens at the end. I'm going to do another 5 count of that dirty water just to see what happens. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. And we see it continuing to drip out and creating some slightly clearer water. Here is where we started as the soil filters some of that debris and dirt out. Since I did have the materials available to me, I have chosen to set up a second cup that has dry soil in it in the same amount as in the cup that had the dirty water. And we are going to run that trial now with some grape Kool-Aid mix. Here we go for our 5 count. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. And I can smell that grape Kool-Aid. And I see that coming out of the bottom. Interestingly, it appears to be moving at a much quicker rate than the other was. And just as with the dirty water, I'm going to do a 5 count again and add more. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. If I were doing this in a truly scientific manner, I might use a graduated cylinder, have equal amounts of liquid going into both, may even set up a timer of some sort to see movement of water. All right, here is my white backdrop. So you can kind of see the difference in my soils. I am going to show you the dirty water, just so you can see what the dirty water looked like when it was all stirred up, how it is filtered and purer now. I will need to review the lab activity itself to gain a greater understanding of the Kool-Aid water and why that happened. And then we'll just take a look at the tops of both of our containers here of water. P.S. It is a hot day out here to be in a dark colored shirt. Think about hydrating. So let's hope this is actually grape Kool-Aid because we're going to finish this sample up. Stay hydrated, friends, and don't ever trust anything you get in a box. Decided that I would stir up my dirty water to actually get it nice and dirty looking. Emptied out the water that was in the base of the cup. Do have that moist soil here, and I am going to dump this dirty water here and see if what the results are as it percolates through our filter, hole in the cup, and out. I do have a limited amount of water for that. This is the sludge that was at the bottom of the dirty water cup. And we'll come back, since that's a slow drip, and see what the results are later. It's been a few minutes, and it looks like we're met with similar results as far as the clarity of our water, whether we had swirled the soil around and made a thick soil sludge of a drink, or if it had settled out a little bit before we poured it. 2.5 hours have passed since I put this water in through the soil with the filter. This was the dirty water. I let it drain out, and here are our results. I'm going to reflect and recap from under a tree where I'm shaded. First off, I want to think about some of the extensions that could happen with this lab, some other experiments that could happen in terms of the drainage allowed. What if we had more than one hole? What if we used different soil types? What if we had timers and timed the effect and had a consistent rate? So there's lots of opportunity to extend this lab, to let students think about extensions for this lab, and to explore how soil acts as a filter and compare results.